Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for parenting and family business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, let's enter the site. Now create new business. Search for your business or your website type, parenting, and family. So this is now enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now, what do you want to add to your website? Forms, portfolio, events, bookings, online store, so video, music, online programs, groups, and forum. So click here, next. Now go to the dashboard. Wait a few seconds. Now design site here if you want to design more your site. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let UX create a site for you, or here if you want to customize uh, a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's easy. So wait a few seconds now. Now enter your information, your email and your address, your phone, and here if you want to add the social link, if you want to add the logo. So next, pick a theme you like. So for example, this. Here if you want to pick your favorite homepage design, choose any homepage you want here. Here if you want to add pages to your site. So now wait a few seconds to prepare in your website. So now your website is ready. Here if you want to edit more your website, this is the settings of your website. You can add elements here. Here you can manage the theme text, the titles, and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the image. Also the image here if you want to search for anything here you want for image, or if you want to show more image. So let's move on to the button section. Here if you want to edit your button, the shape or the size of the buttons. So the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, document buttons, and the iTunes buttons, the Wix chat buttons, pay buttons, and PayPal buttons. So let's move on to the strip. If you want to edit this section here, the classic, featured, about, services, contact and welcome, and testimonials, and the theme sections. So let's move on to decorative here if you want to edit the lines, themed lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, and the horizontal lines, the vertical lines, the featured, the icons, and the animal and nature, the logos, and the badges, the characters, the video box, video mask, and transparent video. So also the boxes here, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the other boxes, and the tabs, the gallery. The gallery if you want to edit the pro galleries, the guide galleries, the slider galleries, and the more galleries if you want to show more. The menu and the anchor here if you want to edit this. themed menus, the horizontal menus, and the vertical menus, the contact and forms, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, and the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. Here is the maps and the full width maps, the Wix chat button, and the line. So let's move on to the video and the music. If you want to edit your video settings, Wix video, video boxes, video mask, and transparent video, and the music, audio players, Wix Music, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes player. The interactive, if you want to edit this, the full width slideshows, the box slideshows, here the light boxes, the boxes, and the repeaters. So let's move on to the interactive, the list. If you want to edit your list here, the embed code, the social media bars here. If you want to edit the social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, VK, and Line, and also the payment section. If you want to edit the payment section, the order, the donation, and here the CMS, here how to easily manage your site contents, the blog and the store, the bookings, the events, and the community, and your designs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the page, and before that, if you want to add a section, just select here any section you want, the team or the contacts, the promotion services, subscribe, testimonial, clients. So let's move on. Here if you want to add pages and menu, here you can choose any page you want. So let's move on. The site design, if you want to edit your color theme, the text theme, the page and page background, and page transitions. You can also add more apps. Search any app you want. Your business, if you want to edit your manage your business here. Also the media, if you want to upload your media here. If you want to search for anything you want, here the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site contents. And the last thing here is the marketing and SEO. So that's it. Here the website, if you want to move it, the section, if you want to move the section down or move it up, you can move it as you like. If you want to do a quick edit, here if you want to explore section layout. Also here if you want to edit the section, if you want to delete or duplicate or copy or cut. So after you're done from editing your website and complete the editing and designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website and get your free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.